Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes. Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is Practice Test 5, focusing on government and the law in Australia. You'll have 20 questions to test your knowledge. Let's see how many you get right. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. What else does the House of Representatives discuss besides laws? A. Matters of national importance. B. Only local government issues. C. Court decisions. The correct answer is matters of national importance. Who debates proposals for new laws in the Australian Parliament? A. Members of Parliament and Senators. B. Only the Prime Minister. C. Only the Governor-General. The correct answer is members of Parliament and Senators. What is another name for the Senate? A. The lower house. B. The upper house, the House of Review, or the State's House. C. The Executive House. The correct answer is the upper house, the House of Review, or the State's House. How are senators chosen? A. They are elected by voters from each state and territory. B. They are appointed by the Prime Minister. C. They are chosen by the Governor-General. The correct answer is they are elected by voters from each state and territory. How are states represented in the Senate? A. Each state is equally represented, regardless of size or population. B. Larger states have more senators. C. Only the largest states have representation. The correct answer is each state is equally represented, regardless of size or population. How many senators are there in the Australian Senate? A. 150 senators. B. 76 senators. C. 100 senators. The correct answer is 76 senators. How many senators does each state elect? A. 12 senators. B. 6 senators. C. 15 senators. The correct answer is 12 senators. How many senators do the Australian Capital Territory and the Northern Territory elect? A. 12 senators each. B. 6 senators each. C. 2 senators each. The correct answer is 2 senators each. What is one role of the Senate? A. To consider, debate, and vote on new laws or changes to the laws. B. To appoint the Prime Minister. C. To enforce laws. The correct answer is to consider, debate, and vote on new laws or changes to the laws. Besides making laws, what else does the Senate do? A. Discuss matters of national importance. B. Oversee state governments. C. Control local councils. The correct answer is discuss matters of national importance. How many states and mainland territories are there in Australia? A. 7 states and 1 mainland territory. B. 5 states and 3 mainland territories. C. 6 states and 2 mainland territories. The correct answer is 6 states and 2 mainland territories. Where are state and territory governments based? A. In Canberra. B. In their capital cities. C. In the House of Representatives. The correct answer is in their capital cities. What is the title of the leader of a state government in Australia? A. Governor. B. Chief Minister. C. Premier. The correct answer is Premier. What is the title of the leader of a territory government in Australia? A. Premier. B. Chief Minister. C. Governor. The correct answer is Chief Minister. Who represents the King in each Australian state? A Governor. B. A Chief Minister. C. A Premier. The correct answer is a Governor. Who appoints the Administrator of the Northern Territory? A. The Governor-General. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Premier of the Northern Territory. The correct answer is the Governor-General. How does the role of the Administrator of the Northern Territory compare to a state governor? A. The Administrator has similar responsibilities to a state governor. B. The Administrator has more power than a governor. C. The Administrator has no official role. The correct answer is the Administrator has similar responsibilities to a state governor. How are states and territories different under the Australian Constitution? A. States have constitutional rights, while territories do not. B. Territories have more power than states. C. States and territories have equal rights under the Constitution. The correct answer is states have constitutional rights, while territories do not. What power do states have that territories do not? A. States can pass laws in their own right, but territory laws can be changed by the Australian government. B. States and territories have equal lawmaking power. C. Territories have full independence from the Australian government. The correct answer is states can pass laws in their own right, but territory laws can be changed by the Australian government. How are representatives for state and territory parliaments chosen? A. They are elected by Australian citizens. B. They are appointed by the Prime Minister. C. They are selected by the Governor-General. The correct answer is they are elected by Australian citizens. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.